wait for the outcome of this before we proceed with this strategy. As you can see, we want that trade right here. We want that trade. We're using an indicator. You can see the black point here. You can see we are watching the numbers right here. Briefly before we proceed with this strategy, for those who don't have this automated trading bot, those who haven't purchased the bots, just visit www.touchscalper.ctystechnologies.com.ng to purchase the bots. It's just 9.9 USD and it's affordable. It's fully automated and it works on deriv and binary.com. You can make payments using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, bank transfer to our dollar account for international payments, debit card and all that. You can make payments using any of those options. Here are some of the results on deriv and binary.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel for more upcoming strategies. Here again are the links. This is the link to purchase the bots, www.touchscalper.ctystechnologies.com.ng is the link to purchase the bots, and this is the link to sign up for a free trading account. For those who don't have a trading account, just use this link to sign up, and this is the link to subscribe to our channels. Once you see this confirmation, this one that ends with confirmation, let's go to 1. Just use this link. This is the second channels right here. We will paste all this in the video description on YouTube, and if you are watching directly from YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to subscribe. So let's get back to the trading. Once this is below 20, that's minus 22 right there. Once this is below 20, we'll click on purchase right there. So let's watch before I explain how this strategy works. So we've won that trade again right there. We won that trade again. So here we are trading the volatility 25 index, and I've logged in. I'm using the deriv deep trader interface. So we're going to click on the indicator. Once we change that to volatility 25 index, you can see the active indicator right here. I'm using the C. This is it right here under the trend as a commodity channel index indicator. So that's it right here, CCI indicator. So once you click on it, you will be seeing this this black thing reading numbers right here. Once you click on that, so we're going to change the tick. We're trading the no touch as well, so we're going to trade the change the tick to 6 ticks. Then the barrier will be plus 0.409. So once this is below 20, either 22, from 22 downward, 20, 20, 20, 19, 18, you can see it's 98 right here. Once it's reading 20 downwards, we're going to be clicking on purchase and we're going to be fast. You can see that's 57. It's going down. If it goes up, you have to wait. Once it's below 20, we are going to click on as close to 20 there. You click on purchase fast before it jumps up again. So let's watch the outcome of the trade right here. Okay, you can see we won that trade again, so you have to wait. That's 13. We click on purchase right there. We're watching this number, the number showing up here. That's what we are watching. So we are watching the trade again right there. As you can see, we won that trade again. So if you watch carefully, you have to be smart when you're using this strategy. You have to be smart. Once the number is below 20, maybe from 22 downward, you quickly click on purchase. You're watching the number right there. So to see this thing, you have to set the indicator first. So if you are using this strategy, you have to be very, very fast and smart before you click on the no touch. That's minus 60 again. Let's go for one last trade. Before we click on before we move to the next strategy. That's 216 to 165. So we have to wait for this thing to be reading maybe from 20 downward or 22 downward before we click on purchase. You can see it stays right up there. and when it's going down it will be very, very fast, so you have to be fast. You can see the way the number is jumping right there. Okay. 61, 46, 43, 28, let's wait, 35, let's wait, 27, there you go, right there. I see it went below. So let's watch the last trade here and see the outcome of the trade. As you can see, we won all our trades. So you have to be very smart when using this strategy. The number has to be below 20, maybe from 22 downward. You click on purchase once you see that number. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button, and if you haven't purchased the boats, visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boats. Thanks for watching. Bye.